Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best travel briefcase that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Amazon Basics Laptop Bag. Amazon Basics has created one of the most popular computer bags for men and women. This compact case can hold laptops up to 15.6 inches. If you have a laptop that's bigger or smaller than 15.6 inches, they have several different size options to choose from. The bottom and sides are padded very well, but the case still maintains a slim look. There's a separate interior pocket to make sure your other electronics, cables, etc. stay organized, and there are even 3 sections that can be accessed from a separate exterior pocket. The padded shoulder strap makes it easy to carry whether you're heading to the airport to spend some time in Buenos Aires or going to a business meeting. Moving on at number 4, we have Onet Laptop Briefcase. This super spacious bag is among the best briefcases for travel because it can function as a shoulder bag, briefcase, or duffel bag. However, one of its best features is the back strap, meaning you can attach your briefcase to your carry-on luggage while you're heading to and from the airport. The Onet Laptop Briefcase has 6 compartments that allow you to easily separate your laptop, tablet, books, clothes, and other travel necessities. Its durable, eco-friendly, nylon fabric makes the case mildly water-resistant, so you shouldn't have to worry about your electronics on the off chance the case gets a little wet. For a quality travel laptop bag with extra space for your travel necessities, the Onet Laptop Briefcase is the one for you. At number 3, we have New Hey Vintage Canvas Briefcase. If you need the best travel briefcase for men, then don't miss out on the New Hey Vintage Leather Canvas Briefcase. This retro satchel bag not only has a super cool look, but it's also made of a water-resistant waxed canvas to make sure it stays by your side for years. Its 9 pockets mean that you'll have more than enough space for everything from your noise-canceling headphones to your water bottle. Both its handle and shoulder strap are padded, and the strap is both removable and adjustable to make carrying the bag as comfortable as possible. To make sure you're carrying around one of the best briefcases for men, go for the New Hey Vintage Leather Canvas Briefcase. At number 2, we have Cool Bell Travel Briefcase. This convertible briefcase gives you the ultimate versatility while you're traveling. You can carry it like a messenger bag, a shoulder bag, and even like a backpack. The additional straps are easily stored away when you're not wearing it as a backpack. It can fit a laptop that's up to 17.3 inches, and it can even hold up to 3 days worth of clothes, perfect for a weekend trip to New York City. You'll have 7 color options to choose from, and not only does the bag look good, but it's made from genuine leather and is water resistant. Yes, it's an amazing briefcase, but it's also so much more, which is why it's ranked as the best laptop briefcase for travel. And finally at number 1, Alpine Swiss Rolling Briefcase. This awesome rolling briefcase measures 19 by 14 by 9 inches, making it just right to use as a TSA-approved carry-on, and with the ability to hold a 17-inch laptop, it is a great choice for regular business users. Organized and secured, the main section comes with various compartments for all of your essentials, and the zipper closure has secure dual combination locks that can be set individually to keep your belongings well protected. With side pockets that are spacious enough for legal files and the ability to expand up to 2 inches, you will have all the space you need for your important work documents. This briefcase also features a telescopic handle, 4 inline skate wheels, and a detachable carry handle to make light work of longer commutes.